Kristin Cavallari sounds off on love triangle rumors involving Southern Charm's Craig and Austen. Kristin Cavallari is a highly sought-after woman. But she denied rumors of a love triangle between her and Southern Charm's Austen Kroll and Craig Conover. Kristin Cavallari is not interested in repeating history. Back in the day, the Laguna Beach star experienced heartbreak after she and co-star Lauren Conrad fought over boy next door Stephen Colletti. It was the absolute definition of a love triangle, with messy breakups to boot. Fast forward more than a decade later and fans are beginning to speculate Kristin has found herself in yet another tricky situation. This time, Kristin's followers believe she's the woman being fought over. With Southern Charm's Craig Conover and Austen Kroll going out of their way to impress the Uncommon James designer. That being said, Kristin is denying there's any drama to unpack, saying on her Instagram story, "I haven't been involved in a love triangle since I was in high school. According to the mom of three, this rumor has followed her for nearly a year, even though she hasn't dated anybody in a few months. Without naming Austen or Craig, she said, "These two guys who I have been linked to for the past year are my friends. That's it. I've never dated either one of them. I can guarantee that I am not going to date either one of them." She also pointed out that while she's hanging out with two single men, it's possible for a grown woman to be friends with a grown man and for that to be it. The very Cavallari star added that she's actually really enjoyed not being in a relationship, which she emphasized by captioning her video, "Single and loving it." Kristin then asked her followers to take gossip with a grain of salt, because it's mostly for entertainment purposes. It's like a massive game of telephone, she shared. So just keep that in mind, that all the stuff you're reading is not always true. Maybe there's a little seed of truth, but all the details are messy. Austen and Craig have not publicly commented on the speculation. But Austen previously stirred the pot when he said Kristin slid into Craig's DMs last year. At the time, Kristin's BFF Justin Anderson denied the chatter, writing on Instagram that he was the one to introduce Kristin to the guys. I was a fan of our new friends Craig and Austen and we visited Charleston and met up with them. I pushed for the friendship, the celebrity hair colorist shared. Kristin was along for the ride and no one is hooking up or even flirting. 4 adults that are friends. Let's move on. Kristin and Austen later confirmed Justin's version of events on the Pillows and Beer podcast. With The Hills reality star doubling down on her assertion that it was never flirty. Since then, the foursome has continued to hang out and document their gatherings for all to see. Gossip be damned.